Here I have LYF Water 10 and let me show you how to enter here the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power button. Let's here choose the power off, keep holding power off and tap OK to the reboot. Excellent, as you can see the safe mode pops up, so now you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's simply press power key, let's choose reboot and tap OK to confirm it. That's it, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.